back to your question about Kenyan hip hop, underground na mainstream. Do we have mainstream hip hop in Kenya? Do we have underground hip hop in Kenya? We just have hip hop in Kenya. Because what makes a hip hop industry exist? Output na input inafaa ikuwe balanced. Do we even have a hip hop industry in Kenya?
That's the question though.
We tuko na mafans wanapenda hip hop. Do we have a hip hop industry?
And we have artists who do hip hop.
Yeah. Do we have a hip hop industry in Kenya?
I feel like we have a hip hop industry.
Hip hop inaweza exist yenyewe peke yake. Do we have it?
That's why wasema a lot of artists begin as hip hop artists, but wanaona uko mbele there is no future, they switch.
Juu KRA wako on your case ninja. KRA wako on your case. Landlord anataka kakitu msee. Unapiga boom bap noma hujakataa. But sasa
there is nothing to show.
Angalia Kitusua ndo huyu. So sad man. Poster ndo hii ya Kitusua ina move around. Nini.
I was avoiding that conversation.
No, hatuwezi avoid. We are supposed to have those conversations. Kitusua is a legend. Catalog ya Kitusua inafaa ikuwe able kulipa bill ya Kitusua.
And his kids and